Now let's talk about how to use Kucoin. First of all, if you don't have a Kucoin account, please click on the link in the description. That's the first link is Kucoin account. You can register an account for yourself. Kucoin is an exchange that you can buy and sell cryptocurrency either with your credit card or through the P2P option. That's the peer-to-peer option. And you can as well send coins from there to decentralized exchange and receive coin and use it to store as a store of value for your crypto. So it operates just the same way Binance operates, but the differences between them are nothing much apart from the little slick interface you are seeing and the color of the fonts. There's not much of a difference. All right. So now I have my account right here. Now, when you open your account, your account will be verified with your ID, such as mine is right here. I don't know it's telling me to log in, but I'm logged in. I think it's not fully open. I'm actually logged in. So you have to be verified. So this is the home page. This is how the home page looks like. It's a slick interface where you could actually do a lot of things from this home page. Home page has provision for some shortcut button. So once you're registered, this is how it looks like. Here's a section where you can just tap and make your deposit. That's okay. I need to be marking stuffs out. All right. Uh, why here is your deposit. Here takes you directly to P2P. Why here take you directly to it gives you information about anything about new listing. And then here trading board. I never use that part. And here referral in case you want to be referring people. Then if you have any KCS bonus, any cool coins bonus, you find here. Then here is convert. This convert is very important because I'm going to show you. So the rest you is self-explanatory. So first of all, this is the home page where you find the trending coins, cryptocurrency. Then you have the top gainers, and then you also have the top lose new coins that are just being added. Okay, like this one was just being added. Then we have the cryptocurrency by volume, and then the top losers yeah also shows up here. All right, so now what we are actually going to be concerned in your budget ourselves with is the rest of the rest of the button below. So like I said earlier, if you tap on the name there, you see my name is actually there, it's actually verified. So if I tap on the market option now, here you can visit any crypto you want to trade. Let's say for instance this particular one, this is where you can buy at spot wallet or sell the particular crypto at spot wallet. By all these things, a tutorial on their own. You can sell immediately by switching to market and you're able to sell immediately. All right. Then